New arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a restored 1971 Chevrolet Corvette Resto Mod LS3, 376 cubic inch, 525 horse, 5-speed, 4-wheel, Wilwood disc brakes, drilled, slotted, AC, digital gauges. Super nice ride. Kind of going with the murdered out theme. Black and white. Just a super nice car. There's a couple tiny chips, a couple tiny scratches. Car's restored, I believe, 4 or 5 years ago. There's approximately 6,000 miles on the restoration, so it's been driven. Wipers work, lights work. Just a nice car. Aluminum radiator, electric fan. Paint's got a nice shine. All the chrome has been blacked out. Little chip in that bumper, we'll touch that up. But the fit and finish is nice. There is a chip right there that'll be touched up. 18-inch wheels, again drilled and slotted, Wilwood disc brakes. The body lines are very nice on this car. Alpine sound system in there, amp. You'll find about 75 pictures at www.westportautocenter.com. Please like and share the video. Subscribe to the channel, leave your comments and input below. Leather interior, power windows, that's 5-speed. Pioneer head unit, Alpine amps. There you got all the digital gauges, Dakota digital gauges. Fire extinguisher, amp. There's the subwoofer and amp. Interior's nice, padding's nice.